Heavy rains in Delhi disrupt life. I am IA Studious and I am presenting this video to show you a downpour in Delhi waterlogging at several places. Heavy rain lashed Delhi, disrupting traffic in several parts of the city and affecting the air travel due to the bad weather. The India Meteorological Department (IMD) has issued a red alert for most parts of Delhi-NCR. Several areas in the capital, including Panchkuian Marg, Mathura Road, Shastri Bhawan, Puram, Moti, Bagh and Kidwai Nagar reported waterlogging and slowed down traffic in the area. The downpour began late night around 11 p.m. on Friday and has continued till Saturday morning. Let's watch this video, share and subscribe to the channel Watch Me 24.
मरने के चक्कर में हो गए उड़ा दिया था इन्होंने।